don't you hand me one of them CDs right there?
Hello, and welcome to KJC
You got a
Radio
voice?
Jacksonville, 92.78 FM, or if you're on your TV, KJC 57. Alright, so in the news today, a few kids doing TikTok at a police station, and...
This is not a test. Do not make eye contact with your television. The following is a message broadcast by order of the United States Department of Anomalies and the United States government. An entity known as the OA071B has been the cause of mass casualties in Miami-Dade and Orange County. For your safety, follow these instructions. Without making eye contact with the outside, close all exterior windows and doors. Do not make eye contact with reflective objects or objects that have a view of the outside, such as windows or peepholes. Do not make eye contact with other humans. If condensation begins to gather on windows and mirrors, do not, under any circumstances, remove it in any way. If you hear or see anything unusual, do not attempt to investigate. Failure to follow these instructions will result in an episode of homicidal rage, heart attack, or immediate death. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.